Welcome back, guys. Okay, today we would like to look at customer needs, right? We discussed about advertisement and we learned that we have to understand our target market, we have to understand our clients or audiences, right? That becomes easier for us to advertise. It becomes easier to advertise because already we know the needs of our clients. So understanding the needs of your customers is very fundamental. So, the marketing's original mantra is to find needs and fill them. That is the original mantra of marketing, is to find needs and fill them. So, how do a company or how yourself you can understand or you can identify the needs of the customers? You have to listen to them. Most of the companies or most of the people, they don't want to listen to customers, right? They just brush off client complaints. So by listening to clients or by interviewing them, you'll be in a better position, right, to understand the needs of your clients, then address them. So by addressing those needs, it means you are satisfying the clients and you are going to get more through the word of mouth. Right? So, in order for you to be creative as well, you have to understand the needs of the customer. Then you be creative or innovative to find the solution that suits each and every client's need. Right? Then what creates needs? We can talk of events may create a need. Let me give an example of COVID-19. That occurred, is it in March 2019? Then it exacerbated in the year 2020, right? That was the event. Then what happened? There was more creation of online softwares. For example, we can talk of Zoom. The usefulness of Zoom was witnessed, and other products were created. People working from home. So a lot of solutions have been provided because of the event. So the event or events may create needs. So listen to those events, listen to clients, listen to people. You get their problems and that will be their need. Then you create the solution. That's business. Then needs can be created through trends. What is happening nowadays? Nowadays, people, they want to feel good. They want to be seen on social media. They want to look younger. So these are the trends. So what are the solutions for the people to look younger? Right? For example, there are people who are old. They want to get rid of wrinkles. That's why we're having plastic surgeries. We're having creams that removes wrinkles. These are the needs that have been exacerbated by the trends. So keep an eye on the events and trends, then you'll be able to understand the customer's needs. Then you'll be creative, you become creative or innovate the solution. Then that's business. Then you get the profits. So basically that's customer needs, right? Concept that you have to understand as a marketer.